家里很脏，但我还是不想打扫。
但我知道，每个人或多或少都会有一些不知道该怎么走下去的难关。
Hi， 大家好，我是林老师。I'm Miss Lin from Taiwan. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to join this big family. So today I'm going to teach you how to use the grammar 虽然但是虽然但是 The sentence structure is 虽然哒哒哒但是哒哒哒虽然哒哒哒但是哒哒哒虽然 although 但是 but Three things you have to be careful here. 有3点你要注意。第一个 number 1. In English, you wouldn't use but. However, in this sentence structure, in Chinese, 但是is required. It's like a set structure. 虽然但是虽然但是。第二个 number 2. 可是is used interchangeably with 但是 So you can say 虽然哒哒哒可是哒哒哒 It has the same effect 一样的第3个 Number 3还是 is often used after 但是还是 meaning still It's logical, isn't it? So it usually becomes 但是还是But still, 但是还是 So how do you say, although it's expensive, I still want to buy it? 虽然很贵，但是我还是想买。虽然很贵，但是我还是想买。虽然 although 很贵 expensive, 但是 but 我还是想买。I still want to buy it. So you see, 但是 cannot be left out here.Okay, it's required. 但是 and we usually put 还是 still after it. 但是我还是想买 Of course, you can change it into 虽然很贵，可是我还是想买。虽然很贵，可是我还是想买。哦，等一下。Of course, the vocabulary of each lesson has covered the TOCFL exam, Band A and Band B. PDF lesson and the audios
are available on my Patreon. You are very welcome to become one of my Patreon students
and ask me any questions there. I have prepared this Taiwanese drama for you today. 今天我为你们准备了这个台湾剧，虽然有一点长，但是台词写得很棒。虽然有一点长，但是台词写得很棒。Okay, I want you to listen. They have used twice this structure. 虽然但是，我们来看一下。Let's have a look.
先不说了，来。
猫，跟谁讲电话？什么死不死的，听起来很恐怖哎。
对啊，没有啦，就我以前高中好朋友失恋，他在无名小站上面写一个人到底要怎么继续活下去，是不是死了就不会痛？这种想要寻短的文章啦，我以前的同学看到很担心他，要我一起过去看一下。
感觉蛮严重的，你不去一下吗？
我干嘛去？虽然我真的很不想这样说，可是我最看不起的就是这种用自杀来感情勒索的人。
我虽然不认识你的朋友啦，但我知道，每个人或多或少都会有一些不知道该怎么走下去的难关。有些人很幸运，他可能可以自己想开，或是会有朋友适时的拉他们一把，让他度过这个难关。但是有些人就没这么幸运。
再看一次。
虽然我真的很不想这样说，可是我最看不起的就是这种用自杀来感情勒索的人。
再看一次。
虽然我真的很不想这样说，可是我最看不起的就是这种用自杀来感情勒索的人。
虽然 although 我真的不想这样说，我真的不想这样说 I really don't want to say something like that 可是 but 我最看不起的 我最看不起的 what I look down the most 就是 that is 用自杀来感情勒索的人，用自杀来感情勒索的人 use the way of committing suicide 自杀 committing suicide 感情勒索 emotion blackmail. Do you remember what does he say? 你记得他怎么说吗？来，再看一次。
我虽然不认识你的朋友啦，但我知道每个人或多或少都会有一些不知道该怎么走下去的难关。
再看一次。
我虽然不认识你的朋友啦，但我知道每个人或多或少都会有一些不知道该怎么走下去的难关。
I 虽然 although 不是你的朋友啦 not your friend. La here is to emphasize the fact that well yeah I'm not your friend. 但我知道 but I know 每个人 everyone 或多或少 more or less 都会有一些 we all have some 不知道该怎么 don't know what we should do 走下去的难关 走下去 is to get through 难关 difficulties 我觉得这里的台词写得很棒，所以想跟大家分享。I think the lines are very well written, so I would like to share with you all.
我虽然不认识你的朋友啦，但我知道每个人或多或少都会有一些不知道该怎么走下去的难关。
好，再来下一个 next one.So how do you say, although the weather is bad, still many people come? 虽然天气不好，但是还是很多人来。虽然天气不好，但是还是很多人来。虽然 although 天气不好 the weather is bad, 但是还是 but still 很多人来 many people come. 好，下一个 although the economy is bad, many people still do shopping.So how do you say the economy is bad? There's a specific term for that. 你知道吗？经济不景气 Economy is bad. 经济不景气 Okay, can you say the sentence? 虽然经济不景气，但是还是很多人买东西。虽然经济不景气，但是还是很多人买东西。How do you say? 怎么说？Although she cheats on him, her boyfriend still wants to marry her. 虽然她劈腿，但是她男朋友还是要跟她结婚。虽然她劈腿，但是她男朋友还是要跟她结婚。虽然 although 她 she 劈腿 is to cheat on someone. 劈腿 to cheat on somebody. 劈腿Here it's an expression means to cheat on somebody. 但是 but 她男朋友 her boyfriend 还是 still 要跟她结婚 to get married with her. 结婚 is to get married. 好，再来下一个。Although filming video is tiring, I still like to teach you Chinese. Filming videos 拍片 So you can say 虽然拍片很累，但我还是很喜欢教大家中文。虽然拍片很累，但我还是很喜欢教大家中文。好，再来下一个。OK， 这个礼拜这个就是发生在我身上。Although the dishwasher has cleaned it, the balls are still dirty. The dishwasher， 你知道怎么说吗？洗碗机。虽然洗碗机已经洗过了，但是碗还是很脏。虽然 although 洗碗机 dishwasher 已经 already 洗过了。过 here means has done something. 洗过了 it has already washed. Which means it has already cleaned. 但是 but 碗 is bowl 还是 still 很脏 dirty. Okay, for this one, I know native speakers love to use though in the end of the sentence. And actually, in Chinese, we can use that too. It's very easy, 非常简单. For example, how do you say, the house is dirty. I still don't feel like cleaning though. Okay, to do cleaning in general is 打扫. 扫, this word including to sweep the floor. So we have the image that it's general cleaning including sweeping the floor. 打扫. The structure 虽然但是 you just omit 虽然. 家里很脏但我还是不想打扫. 家里很脏但我还是不想打扫. In the beginning of first sentence, 虽然 is there. However, you can just omit it. So it becomes 家里很脏但我还是不想打扫. Okay, you simply just omit 虽然 and it just carries the meaning though. 很简单对不对? It's easy, isn't it? 家里很脏但我还是不想打扫. I often feel this way. 我常常这样觉得. And you might wonder, 但 how come 但是 becomes 但? 林老师, have you forgotten something? 你忘记什么了吗? 其实呢，在口语 in spoken language, we usually omit 是. So 但是 becomes 但. But it's very colloquial, okay? On the exam or written form, it has to be 但是. Okay, how about this one? I currently can't go back to Taiwan. I still watch news from Taiwan every day though. The structure 虽然但是 you just omit 虽然我现在不能回台湾但我每天看台湾的新闻我现在不能回台湾但我每天看台湾的新闻新闻 news. So here 但 again it's from 但是我现在不能回台湾但我每天都看台湾的新闻 Alright, the last one 最后一个 Although my friend is sad, he still pretends to be strong. 虽然我朋友很难过但他还是装得很坚强虽然我朋友很难过但他还是装得很坚强虽然 although 我朋友 my friend 很难过 is very sad 装的 is to pretend 很坚强 to be strong 坚强 here is mentally strong, okay? It's not physically. It's mentally strong 坚强虽然我朋友很难过但他还是装得很坚强好，那今天就这样 That's it for today. What do you think about this grammar series? 你觉得今天的文法怎么样呢 I have a little request here. 我有一个小小的要求 If you find my videos are helpful, please do not hesitate to share my channel with other learners of Chinese so that more and more people can benefit from my channel and which will really motivate me to do more videos for you. Okay, so I hope see you in the next video. 那我们下个影片见，拜拜。